he just looked like a nice, friendly guy to cooperate. All right. Actually, I'm not going to be just giving you driving. Chris, let's do next, Chris. So, we're going to be driving. We've got the left hand on the wheel. You have a cell phone on you for more. Okay, so I just keep wanting to let you guys do it.
I'm walking to my car and dancing a football game.
Hey, Chris, you need a ride? Need a ride over there? Sure. Good name, man. Thank you. Got some music on? Yeah, go ahead. You like that? Help yourself. I didn't start the car yet. Oh, okay. Turn that down a little bit. Yes, Chris kind of look at me when I'm talking. Pretty good game, Pretty good game. I got to be honest with you. I had a little problem. What's that? Well, when you caught the ball, you ran the wrong way. See, I got hungry and I seen the snacks thing, so I went to go get a snack, and then I thought I could come back. Say it again? I went to go get a snack, and I came back. Okay. Listen, I got to go, man. Where do you live? I got to keep my eyes on. Philadelphia. My phone's ringing sorry. Hold on. Yeah, I got it. Atlantic City Press. Yeah, how you doing? Yeah, it's Coach Plaza. Yeah. I don't know why Chris trying to keep dropping the ball, but he just kept dropping. The stats. Hey, you can talk about the stats. I got it. Okay. I had about 102 misses. Yep. I had negative 100 yards. Yeah, and I got taken out in the first quarter. Okay, all right, that's why we lost the game, Chris. All right, we gotta work on this stuff, all right? You got anything to talk about before I drop you off? Nah, you like that? Yeah, I got about 5 more minutes. Okay. Let's get it. That's enough. I'm an old man. I'm so crazy. I don't want to put you here for a while. Just here for a ride. All right, Chris, man. Good job. Thank you. See you practicing tomorrow, man. See. Just stay right here. What we saw here was all sorts of distractions. Out in the audience, some people said that they were a little nervous sometimes when someone was driving distracted, and they weren't sure if they should speak up, although one person said that they volunteered to do the cell phone calling or the texting. That's something that you could have done, right? Now, you know this guy, Mr. Impagliazzo. You know Mr. Impagliazzo. So he's a nice guy. If you felt scared in the car, do you think because, he could bench you or something like that, you might not want to criticize his driving? Intimidation has a lot to do with stuff. All right. So every one of you is going to be in a position where someone's going to be driving you with distraction. Every one of you. And you're going to have to make a decision what to do. And it's uncomfortable. Hey, someone's giving you a ride home. You're doing you a favor. And then you're going to criticize how they drive? I don't know. It might not be that much fun. It might be uncomfortable. But I'll suggest this to you. If you can get the message across that you care about them, you care about their safety, including yours, your own, then maybe it'll be perceived a little bit differently. So what can we do? We can volunteer to make the calls for them. Anything else? Anybody have any other ideas? These guys are talking over here. What do you think you could do if you're two guys in a blue shirt, and actually a dark one. So I get all three of you. All right. So if you're in a car and someone's driving you distracted, you're nervous about it, what do you do? If you talk to this guy about it, I bet you he's going to tell you, like parents tell you, because I hear this all the time, all over New Jersey, all over Pennsylvania, when I get these talks. Parents will say, oh, well, I've been driving for 40 years, I've never been in an accident, it's okay, I know what I'm doing. You're going to hear that. What are you going to say? You don't want to hear any excuses. I think that makes perfect good sense. Okay. Do you guys ever get worried about your parents or your brothers and sisters about their distracted driving? Let's say when you're in school, you're not in the car. Do you ever get worried? Let's just raise your hand if you get worried about them. Some people are raising their hands if you're worried about them. Well, you should be, because they're out there, they're driving distracted. And Sergeant Hopley said, you guys can get the message and you can talk to them and tell them, you expect me to drive safely, you tell me not to text, you tell me not to use the cell phone, but you're being a hypocrite. Maybe you don't use that approach. Whoever approach works with your parents. But just tell them that. If it's fair for you to be safer when you drive, isn't it fair for them? Talk about role models. How many of you think that when I would drive my kids around in the car, and I would be calling on the cell phone, programming my GPS, let me see you raise your hands. How many of you think that I, as a parent, was a good role model for my kids? Anybody going to raise their hand? Of course not. So think about the types of role models your parents are being for you, and you could be a better role model for them.